Hey guys, I'm back today to do another Friday email teardown, and obviously as you can see we're going to be focused on Nespresso. Nespresso is a coffee company that also sells espresso machines, as most of you already know. As a big coffee drinker, I tend to buy capsules from them pretty much every month without fail. I also have a machine and subscribe to the newsletter, as you can see. Now you might be thinking, what's so special about this email? And nothing in particular, but what I want to talk about in today is just some very basic segmentation and something they've done well, which we can all learn from and not enough of us do when it comes to sending campaigns. So this is a campaign that I didn't receive, but my girlfriend did receive, and you can see it's a very basic offer. When you add any 200 capsules to your basket, you receive 40 for free. Okay, so pretty straightforward offer. So what is the practice that we're focusing on in particular? Now, I didn't receive this campaign, and I placed an order with Nespresso 3 days ago. Actually, I think it's downstairs and I need to collect it. So this is just a very basic approach to segmentation that has probably prevented a customer service headache or a pissed off customer, because if I was to receive this email 3 days after I've just purchased 150 capsules, I would probably be inclined to take them up on this offer. However, when my girlfriend forwarded it to me this morning, I hadn't received the offer, which is good, which shows they are approaching the campaigns and the segmentation with at least a bit of consideration for customers who've just ordered. So very basic approach to segmentation that you should always do when you do send an offer out, and it's something that someone who's recently placed an order would probably have taken you up on. Then it's a good idea to exclude these people from receiving the campaign. Reason being is because you're just going to create a customer service headache for yourself. So always check before you send an offer out that you are considering if the person, the recipient receiving it, actually wants to receive that offer. And if they've just made an order previously in the last few days, chances are that you're going to provide a negative customer experience. So something to keep a keen eye on.